In this video, we're going to install PowerShell Core on Linux using Snap. I'm running Ubuntu 18.4 and Snap comes pre-installed on this distribution, but if you're not sure whether or not you've got Snap already installed, you can check by running snap version. So if I try and launch PowerShell on this system, I'm told that the command isn't found, and I'm shown how I can install it using Snap. However, we're going to have to change this example command in order to ensure that our PowerShell install functions correctly. So let's copy this command in. This has to be run as superuser, so we're using sudo, but before we run this, we need to specify --classic. What this does is it disables the default security confinement, which would normally make a Snap app run in a bubble, but by disabling this using classic, PowerShell will have access to the rest of the system. So let's go ahead and run this. And with that complete, we can go ahead and launch PowerShell Core. And from here we can go ahead and use PowerShell as we're used to. So that's been installing PowerShell Core on Linux using Snap. Thank you for watching.